Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about logic gates. Basically, logic gate आपका क्या है? It is the logic circuit. It is the logic circuit having two or not two because we have not gate also. So one or more than one inputs, but only one output. But only one output. Output जो है output is represented either
communication first करो
either in high, that is 1, or low, that is 0. Now whenever we are designing any logic gate or discussing any logic gate, first of all we think about the truth table. And the truth table is what? Truth table आपका क्या है? Truth table gives you the input output relationship. So it gives IO input output relationship of any logic gate. किसी भी लॉजिक गेट में अगर इनपुट आउटपुट रिलेशनशिप देखना है तो वी जस्ट जनरेट द ट्रूथ टेबल फॉर दैट गेट. नाउ इनपुट एंड आउटपुट में इनपुट is the main particular part on the basis of which further output is generated. So mathematically we have a conclusion. Mathematically, for n number of input, we have 2 to the power n number of input row combination. Now जब भी हम इनपुट लेते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर there is one number of input, then total number of combination of input row is 2 to the power n, that is 2. Similarly अगर n का वैल्यू 2 है, अब यहाँ n का वैल्यू 1 लेने का मतलब है वी आर यूजिंग सिंगल लिटरल्स इन द एक्सप्रेशन इन द पर्टिकुलर लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशन. अगर n इक्वल टू 2 ले रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स 2 लिटरल्स आर यूज्ड इन द एक्सप्रेशन. इफ n इज 3, देन 3 लिटरल्स आर यूज्ड. n इक्वल टू 2 होगा तो टोटल इनपुट रो कॉम्बिनेशन क्या हो जाएगा? 2 to the power n, that is 4. In case of n equal to 3, total combination is 2 to the power n, that is 8. On the basis of that, suppose if in case of single input, अगर हम एक वेरिएबल a लेते हैं, in case of 2 input we are taking 2 variable a b, and in case of 3 variable we are taking 3 variable a b and c. तो जो input combination generate होगा, that input combination generate on the basis of this mathematical statement. So input, because the output of truth table is generated on the basis of the conclusion part of any logic gate. तो जो इनपुट हमारा बनेगा सिंगल इनपुट इन केस ऑफ n इक्वल टू 1, उसका बेसिस क्या होगा? तो अगर दो कॉम्बिनेशन बन रहा है तो वी जस्ट टेक द हाफ ऑफ दिस टू, दैट इज 1. तो वी जस्ट टेक 1 टाइम 0, ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0. तो 1 टाइम 0 1. इन केस ऑफ 2 वेरिएबल वी हैव टू मेंटेन 2 कॉलम्स ऑफ इनपुट. तो 2 कॉलम जो हम लोग मेंटेन करना है, इस 2 कॉलम में टोटल 4 rows is generated. Now half of 4 is 2, so we just take 2 times 0, 2 times 1, and half of 2 is 1, so 0 1 0 1. So that is the input combination we generate whenever we have 2 input. Now in next in case of 3 inputs we have to maintain 3 columns. 3 कॉलम हम लोग को मेंटेन करना है. तो total number of input row combination is 8. So 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total combination of input row we have 8. So on the basis of this total combination 8 combination है, तो first column के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, half of this 8, that means 4 times 0, 4 times 1, and half of 4 is 2, so 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, and half of 2 is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is the way in which we are generating the input combination for n number of input. Similarly, अगर n का value 4 होगा तो we have to maintain 16 input row combination and we have to maintain 4 columns. Like अगर variable a b c d है तो आपको 4 column maintain करना है. So how we can maintain the 4 columns? तो first column के लिए half of the 16, that is 8 times 0, 8 times 1. For second column, half of 8, that is 4, 4 times 0, 4 times 1. For third column, half of 4, that is 2 times 0, 2 times 1. And for finalizing the fourth column, we just take half of 2, that is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So in this manner, we are taking the input row combination, because whenever you are designing the logic gate, input row combination is essential. So in today's class, we just discussed in which manner we are generating the input row combination for any logic gate. In next video, we will see the various types of logic gate.